Welcome back to another session of Anu's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare vegetable kurma which is liked by one and all. This is requested by one of the subscriber. So I have taken this topic today. Before entering into the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's see the ingredients required for vegetable kurma. I have taken 2 tomatoes, some beans, some potatoes, some capsicum, some carrots, 1 cup of small onions, and 1 cup of cauliflower. I have washed it well and I have boiled it and kept it with little salt in it. 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, a few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of jeera, required salt, tablespoon of gus soaked in water for about 2 hours, 2 bay leaves, 4 pieces of garlic, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cardamoms and 4 cloves, 2 green chilies, 3 pieces of ginger. Required water. Now let's begin the recipe. First, we have to on the induction stove. We have to boil the vegetables first. We have to take a pan, add some water, and we have to boil the vegetables first. We can put all the vegetables with little salt in it and boil it and keep it. We can keep it ready. Required salt for the vegetables. We should boil it for 10 minutes. While the vegetables are getting boiled, we can grind the masalas and keep it ready. First, we will take coconut, put it in the mixie jar. To this we can add green chilies and ginger, and gasa soaked in water. You can put it along with the water. Cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Grind it to a paste. Masala is ready. Now we can grind even the onion masala also. For that we have to take the onions to a mixie jar along with garlic flakes, and little water also you have to add and grind it to a paste. The vegetables are boiled well. Now you can switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now switch on the stove again and we have to take a pan. Keep the pan. Put 3 teaspoons of oil. To this we have to add jeera, and 2 bay leaves. Now fry it. The jeera is fried. Now you have to put the onion paste fry it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now the raw smell is gone. Now we have to add the coconut masala to it. And this also you have to fry and cook for about 5 minutes. The coconut masala is also fried well. The raw smell is gone. Now you can add the vegetables. The boiled vegetables, you can add it to the masalas. And put even the boiled cauliflower. And mix well. Add the required amount of salt. Already we have added to the vegetables. So only for the required masalas we are adding the salt now. And mix well. You have to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now the white vegetable kurma is ready. Now we can switch off the flame. Now we have to transfer it to a bowl. Now we can garnish it with coriander leaves. Now the white veg kurma is ready. It goes very well with rotis, chapatis, puris and even rice also. Please do try this at home. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.